Hey, hey, hey. We're back, we're back, we're back. By we, I mean you, and me. We're back in the kitchen. Good morning. It's literally 6:15. So what that means is I woke up about 25 minutes ago, did my prayer, brushed my teeth, washed my face to get the little eye burger off. So right now you're joining me because everyone has been nagging me about cooking. So don't mind my kitchen. This is my fish. So what I'm gonna do is, because I'm doing this by myself, until I figure out the whole glitch and it's, we're gonna try. We finally found catfish. Y'all, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I'm just so happy. You don't understand. I'm so happy. Currently, it's in the bag. I paid $9 for this, but I'm not gonna cook the whole thing. So what I'm gonna do is, yeah, just get it back where it was. Bear with me here. So I'm gonna take this out of the bag. I'm going to wash and season this entire thing. We're gonna open some cool, hot water. Everything is just dumped out there because I need to get it situated. So we're gonna do this. So bear with me here. Mama nangana said me tell you. What I look like it. To find this I literally cried. I literally about cried. So I bought it, I already cut it. So right now what I'm gonna do is just take this out. Like just clean the heads. Clean the heads. Ngala. Yeah, see, like some of the parts are clean. Break it with my finger. Be careful because this is bone. So what I'm gonna do is just wash. And then I'm gonna put lines on them. You don't have to, but I'm going to put lines on them just to all the spices need to go in. So right now I'm just like going around the water and basically just kind of whatever you see I'm doing. So let me see. This is so hard when I don't know how to edit stuff yet. So just bear with me if my head is cut. You don't need to see my head. So on this side is basically I'm gonna dump all the trash once I clean it. My knife is ready to go. So you take one part, you just put a line on them to allow all the seasoning. The onion, I have paste, I have garlic, I have onion I use again. So I have you know, so what I'm going to do is take off. Not use it must be cut in. After all, so yeah, I take it and I about 4. So you guys okay? So 1, 2, 3. There's only fish like season off like season well like. So 1, 2, 3. Here, we like all. It's my not too big. Too small. So my foot. I said, yeah. Okay. Oh my. You need to go. So this is more. And I have myself. So it's nice. So that's and then I'm going to also add a little this over. Yeah, I don't know. I hold it. Look at my eyeball. And here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah. I'm just not so closing. Put it on there. This is going on. And that's it. So stretching. You feel that more. Put that more. Yeah, put it in there. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait, so that's easy now. Use space. Okay, I'm sorry, you go. Sausage, and finish. That's here. I just have to do it. Okay. Everything, I will have. Well, you have to have some. I'll say it again. And of course, if you're married and your wife actually cooks for you, or you're in a relationship and she cooks for you, you better be ready to lock her down. Because a lot of people don't know how to cook. A lot of people wait for you to take them out and stuff. So, yeah, I'm just gonna do that. So I was rinsing this. I'm just gonna use this water. Chop it off right there. So, I'm so stupid. Okay, put it to the side. So, this is what it looks like right now. Damn, I made 20 minutes. So this is what it looks like right now. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't feel like getting my hands dirty. I'm gonna use a spoon. I'm just gonna mix the entire thing, right? Oh, this is heavy. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, yes. Yes, honey. Ooh, wee. I'm gonna mix the entire thing. I already know it's not too spicy, but I'm going to blend out. Now I'm just gonna put a whole habanero in here. So this is the part one. Part one was to buy. Part two was to wash and let it sit. Part three was to make our mix. And so you're gonna mix this and let it. So I'm just gonna do this. Maman a segmentation, segmentation, saisonnementation. Seigneur Jésus, I'm going to LIBOKE. Don't worry, I'm going to add more habanero pepper. Right now, that was enough what I needed to just season this. And of course I have habanero, I have jalapeno in there. So I'm just gonna, yes, yes. So this is what we have, and this is what you will have at the end of it. I'm gonna cover this and I'm gonna let it sit. So for those women who work, for those men who work, you can definitely learn to prep your meal early. So what I'm gonna do is cover this and put it in my fridge. I'm not gonna cook it tonight. I'm probably gonna cook it tomorrow night. So all the ingredients can go inside. It can miximize. This is why you cut the line, you know, push them inside that little line. Oh, listen, yeah. Oh, Jesus, the pepper. I can smell the garlic. I can smell the jalapeno. I can smell the ginger, even though it's ground. It smells really yummy. So I'm gonna do this. So, thanks for joining me.